Alright guys, so today, this is my first video. I'll be installing some 5th gen taillights on my 4th gen Ram 1500. These are the taillights. These are my old taillights. So, hopefully be going for a new look. I think look pretty good. Let's get started on taking these off. Hopefully put the new ones on. Let's hope it goes smooth. The first bolt we are going to be taking off is a Phillips head. Make sure we don't drop the light. That's fine. Slide this clip off here, just like that. This red tab goes back. You can usually get it with your fingernail. And this one down here just pops off, push the tab down, easy enough, good to go. Here's the old taillight. I'm gonna grab a rag real quick, clean some of this up, and then we'll install the new one. Alright, so here is my new taillight. Got our plastic clips. I got some more clip retainers because they often break off. I already had one over here break off, so I'm gonna throw these on, see how they look. Alright, now plug my clips in. Solid. There she is. Get it bolts up and I think we'll be good to go. Grab the new bolt. These look pretty sweet. But the bolts that came with it came with the same hex head, or Phillips head. Couple ugga-duggas, not going nowhere. All right, check it out, guys. I think I like it. All right, put my keys here. Let's check them out. It's pretty cool, guys. All right, guys, so it's gonna be the same process on this side. Just take off these 2 Phillips screws, undo the clips on this side, take it out, take the electric wires off, then we'll slap the new one on. Bottom one first. Screw. Top one. We got a screw fall, but that's okay. Alright. Now, like we did on the other side, just I'll flip this upside down so I can see. Looks like I'm gonna need a we'll grab a flathead so I can get that red pin back. Found me a flathead. Perfect. Right on back. Get that one off. Now let's take our bottom one off. Just push the tab. We'll lose the headlight here. Tail light, my bad. Alright, and there's that one. There's both our taillights off. Plastic retainers, take these old ones out because they don't last very long, and these actually aren't the right ones. I had to come by these ones, so that's okay. Alright, squeeze the tab, pull right out. There's that one. Alright, there's that one. There's both our tabs out. Now I'm gonna grab a rag and some quick detailer. I'm gonna hit up the inside of this. It's pretty dirty from gravel roads. I live in a pretty small town, so get to drive on gravel roads a lot. It's a luxury and a curse at the same time because cleaning is a hassle. Like this clip has a lot of dust in it, so I'm gonna try to clean it out a little bit, make it easier for the next time I take them off. Alright, that's clean enough for me. And the headlights installed. Put these plastic pins in. There's the other one hiding from me. Alright. Peel these back a little bit so they don't get caught like they did on the other side. Should have done that, but that's okay. That one ain't going nowhere. Find the other one. There it is. Put that one's in. This is 1205. Alright, so we had a UPS driver and he needed some help getting to where he needed to go. So
we'll get back to this. I'm just gonna snap these into the plastic retainers. Usually easier to get the bottom side first because you can't really see it once you have the top side in. There she goes, smooth like butter. On these newer trucks, they make it pretty easy. See that? Second screw. That one don't want to go in. All right. Reveal. So that's pretty nice. No movement, good to go. All right guys, so this is the result. I think they look pretty sweet. Startup sequence. Love that startup sequence. It's pretty nice. And this is my blinkers. Like it a lot. Tell me what you guys think. All right guys, it's getting pretty dark. I want to wrap this up, but I think the truck looks pretty good with the new taillights. Like, subscribe if you want more content. I'm sure I'll have more truck content here in the summer. I'm gonna be having some ATV content, so stay tuned. Thank you guys.